everyone, it's me Charmaine. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Dalgona Coffee. So, nagtrending itong Dalgona Coffee sa TikTok, kaya sinubukan ko siyang gawin. Simple lang ang mga sangkap na ating gagamitin. Coffee, brown sugar, water, milk, and ice. So you can find the list of ingredients on the description box below. Okay, let's start. First, put the coffee, brown sugar, and water in a bowl and whisk it well. You can use hand mixer to make it more foamy. And if you don't have whisk or hand mixer, you can mix it using fork as fast as you can to make it foamy. Once it's foamy, iset aside muna natin ito. Now, i-prepare natin ang ating glass. Let's put our ice first and then pour the milk. If you don't have fresh milk, you can use Bear Brand powdered milk. So, ilagay natin ang ating Dalgona coffee on top of our milk. And there you have it, ang ating homemade Dalgona coffee. I-stir muna natin ito before drinking para ma-mix sa ating milk. So, masarap po siya at I'm sure magugustuhan ito ng mga coffee lover. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, it's me, Charmaine. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my quick and easy recipe. So, take care everyone. I know we can pass all these challenges that we are facing right now. Bye!